thanks for having me here, and thanks everyone for joining. Again, my name is Kevin Cangemi. I'm the head of partnerships at Rescale. And I am very excited to be here today to talk about how industrial companies are leveraging Rescale and AWS and the latest AI technologies. And again, our booth is right over in the back, so we've only got about 10 minutes today. So we're not going to go super deep. So I encourage you to come by. We have some fantastic demos. To get started, let's talk a little bit about the context for design and engineering operations and customers and sort of what they're facing. There is a fundamental tension that we see between the engineering teams that are doing the product design, development, and the IT teams that are supplying these teams with the technology to do their work. The engineering teams want to go really fast. They want the right tools, the right solvers. They want lots and lots and lots of compute. They want to do lots of studies. They want no bottlenecks for the infrastructure. They want to be able to reuse all of their engineering data. IT teams want to give them all of that, but they have other objectives too, right? They have to make sure it scales, it's secure, there's good governance, there's cost control. And so really what it boils down to is these industrial customers, they really don't need more point solutions. They need connected, governed workflows that are secure and that can really scale for their product design and engineering operations. And so the solution for that, up until recently, has been very HPC-centric. So innovation in the space is really focused on removing infrastructure bottlenecks, connecting simulation workflows that are siloed, getting data out of these fragmented tools that was also siloed. But like a theme of this conference, AI is changing everything. It's broadening the solution surface area for our customers. And what we're learning, or what we've learned, is that this new world where customers need these connected engineering workflows that are AI-enabled or AI-driven, they need more than just compute. They need a platform, they need a solution, they need technology that can bring all of this together. And so Rescale as a platform is architected for this modern reality for our customers. So at the foundation, you still have high-performance computing. And our platform connects modeling and simulation applications with some of the latest high-performance computing infrastructure on AWS. On top of the compute layer, Rescale has built an engineering data fabric that not only processes the simulation data coming out of these workflows, but also connects to other system of records like PLM tools to bring additional context to that data. Once you've solved the HPC workflow execution and the data layer, you now can start applying AI effectively to these workflows. And that applied AI comes in two layers. First is automating engineering tasks with agents, leveraging technologies from AWS like Bedrock Agent Core and Claude for large language modeling. The second area is AI physics operations. So again, once you have the data coming out of simulations through a data fabric that can process that data into training sets, you can then start to build physics models that inference simulation with a AI physics operating system that can train, deploy, retrain, inference, physics-based models for simulation. And so that architecture unlocks new solution areas that weren't possible even 2 years ago. And so Rescale's really excited to bring this to our customers. This kind of paints a picture of a customer journey. So you start with high-performance computing, you run your workflows, you sort of graduate to more advanced modeling and simulation, you start automating with rules-based systems, you start optimizing and really scaling that in the cloud with AWS. You connect it to a data fabric to sort of capture, automatically extract metadata from those simulations, prepare that data for AI training, if you want to go that far. And also you can run things like AI assistants and things on that data as well. It's really cool. From there, again, you can broaden into the solution area where you sort of take this to the really next level of acceleration, and that's again through surrogate modeling with an AI physics operating system and automating engineering tasks with a human in the loop with agentic tooling. So as you walk around this show, you see AI, agentic everywhere. I'm looking at it all around. I see agent probably 5 different times as I just scan that thing here. It's kind of hard to know what's real. What can you do today? So what we've just talked about in those past few slides is real. We're doing it today with AWS, with real customers. We've been partners with AWS for 15 years. We have hundreds of customers. We co-sell together with more than 100 customers that we've worked on together in the last year. We run hundreds of millions of core hours of modeling and simulation work. And we together work on some of the largest enterprises today. And why this matters, it should give everyone comfort that we can do this. We can execute it. We can scale it. We can govern it. We can get to production really quickly. And one of the things I didn't mention on the last slide is because we take a software approach, we deploy these workflows very rapidly. These are not projects that take a year or 2 to build. This is software and systems that can be deployed in customers in production in days or weeks. So I have a couple of customer proof points here for customers that are adopting pieces of our more advanced stack. So Applied Materials is working today on building digital twins, leveraging our AI physics operating system. Remac is leveraging Rescale's engineering data fabric to prepare physics-based AI training data sets. And then one customer who's broadly adopted the entire solution stack is a customer that we just featured at NVIDIA GTC a few weeks ago. This is McLaren. And across McLaren's CAE systems and design teams, they are leveraging Rescale's AI physics and agentic engineering platforms to go really fast. They can do real-time simulation and prediction of things like aerodynamics and structural analyses. They're using our agentic tooling to automate a lot of repetitive tasks, pre-processing, post-processing, report building, analysis of simulation results. And this is letting them unlock X factors of productivity gains, work in real time, and generally broaden the design space that they're exploring so they can build better cars. So I invite you to come check out our demo. We are running the McLaren demos in our booth right behind us here. Connect with us. We've got a bunch of people here. I want to just thank you very much for taking the time to learn a little bit of our story. And yeah.